friends. Today I want to paint these beautiful letters with old wall in the background, and everything is covered with roses, and I really like this photo I found on Pinterest. So first we will start from up and then we will go down. I'm using these watercolors from Timu, Chinese summer. It says summer clouds or something like that, and it is summer, very strange summer in north of Germany. So, and we're using these brushes from, if you remember, I already showed this. You get a little palette, you get these brushes, paper, and colors in tubes, and everything that is from Royal and Langnickel. So I will try to use these brushes, this sponge, and first I want to add these little bricks on the wall, and we will use this color and white. I don't know, should I add a little bit of darker? No, then it will become, if I add blue, what is wrong with me? If I add a little bit of green, it will become totally green. Oh no, maybe not. We will see. First, I want to add this beautiful white all around these bricks. I want to add this white, very thin, and I have these positions like that. So I want to show that this is in the background of these bricks, something like this, and then I want to add this orange, so the bricks here, because on some places I want to show that it is more light, so the bricks will become lighter on this part and darker. How we go down here, so same here, we'll add more water.
If once in a while I dream.
Here will be the bushes, and also here and there you can see this. Then again this white.
Once in a while
and that everything needs to be pretty irregular because it is all wall and some bricks are damaged.
by when you and I were new. Once in a while I dream, hoping that you'd return.
And then more of the water and this dark green mixed and show like here and there on these bricks, like it is moss, because everything is outside, these bricks and this greenery and everything, it is outside, and it is logical that this should be mossy.
It's sad how the the seasons change.
You know, this new game is came out. It's called Parallels, and person when painting in this game, she bit like humming. This is cute. So this is something like a wall, and then it's also wall here. I want to add more of this dark.
So sad how the seasons change.
But here will be greenery because it is in the shadow. And then I want to show these ladders with this white. I will turn this around.
Pardon my plea, but
This side you can see because it is overgrown with roses, but we can see these parts.
I dream.
So this is all others. Then I think I need darker color, and I don't have here darker color, and that is problem because we need shadows and we need everything, and I think we will must work with this dark green like for the shadows of the leaves and everything.
I reminisce on days gone by.
So it is cool when you from time to time work with limited palette. Can be frustrating, but it can be really rewarding.
Hoping that you'd return to me, but I know that you're not coming back. So once in a while I dream.
And from this side also.
This is like ours. Each day is dark as the night. Since we have ended,
So we need to blend a little bit of this because it's too dark.
reason to live. It's sad how the seasons change. Sad how the feelings go away.
Now when we finished with this, maybe a little bit of red.
It's over. So once in a while I dream.
So that is that. Now the green. We need grass green here, but I don't like very much this grass green, so I will a little bit mix it with this dark and this yellow. So now we have here our grass.
Sad how the feelings go away. We were in love, but now
Now I want this brush and I want to blend this grass with a lot of water. And then we will wait this to dry because I'm rushing all the time. And I want to blend also these parts. Like this.
Once in a while
And then also this beautiful green we will add on the letters, but we will try to not paint on the some parts because here are flowers.
and I were new. Once in a while I dream, hoping that you'd return to me. But I know that you're not coming back, so once in a while.
Now we wait this everything to dry and adding this beautiful pink and this one because they are looking so great. So now we need a little smaller brush, this one, which is number 2, and we will start adding that color and then this in the middle. So lighter goes around and darker in the middle.
Sad how the feelings go away. We were in love, but now it's over. So once in a while I dream.
Now this darker with so smidge of water. And now I need again this white, and I want to make again to show a little bit better.
Sad how the feelings go away. We were in
And again I need to add more water here.
so once in a while I dream. Pardon my plea, but would
Now I want to add difference in leaves. So I want this green to show that somewhere these leaves are super light green. And then this green for a little change.
while I dream. Once in a while
This and then also this in the darker green here and there to show shadows.
is gone by when you and I were new. Once in a while I dream, hoping that you'd return to me. But I know that you're not coming back, so once in a while I dream. Each moment passes like hours. Each day is dark as the night. Since since we have ended.
I think I'm complicating too much. So guys, this is my letters with flowers, and everything is overgrown, and I do really like how is that came up. I think this wall looks like brick wall, so I will not add anything else, and I need to learn how to stop, and I stop now. So that is that. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.